The coffee. Good morning! Today is January 5 and I got a Lazada item here. So we will do unboxing again today, guys. Okay? I'll be right back. Hello! Thank you for watching, guys, and welcome to my channel, General's World. Okay, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so this is the package. I'm gonna get a scissor now. Then we will open this. Guys, so inside, oh my god, wow, this is a Japan made. I love Japan. Thank you for our subscriber. Thank you to our subscribers in Japan who are watching right now. Arigato gozaimasu. In the future, you know, once we are back to normal, I hope that this 2021 we can go back to travel again, because I really miss traveling, guys. I stuck up at home, and that's why you're watching me right now, because I'm stuck at home. I'm doing nothing, but at least I do productive, like giving you some information, you know. Alright, back to the product. Okay, this one says an electric grinder. See, this one, an electric grinder. Okay, it's a metal blade. Alright, so it goes for the stainless steel bowl to melt coffee, cardamom, and nuts and spices. So this is a grinder, guys. Okay, so this, I'm for sure this is 100% quality. I have a very, you know, I have a very high respect to Japan, to Japanese people. They are very, you know, when I went to Japan, I cannot forget how nice the Japanese people are, and they are very helpful, guys. You know, if you watch my Japan travel vlog, we are actually lost. We got lost in Japan, and the Japanese people, even they don't speak English, they try to help us. So thank you so much, Japanese people. Arigato gozaimasu to everyone who are watching right now. From the Philippines to Japan, hello, coffeegrinder, and Lazada. And like I said, thank you to Lazada again for the fast delivery. So this is the closer look of the product, guys. Alright. Okay. This grinder will green coffee beans. Wow. Pino yung pag-green nyo nito. Okay, I got this in Lazada again. So, guys, if you wanna order this, just go to www.lazada.com.ph. Tapos, i-type nyo lang, you just type on the search bar, coffee grinder, and you can see this product. This is Japan made. Right. Okay, guys, I will try to demo this to you. Okay, guys, I'm going to demo to you now on how this product functions when it is turned on. I have here a coffee bean which I bought in Venice Mall when my husband visited the Philippines. So this one, this is the product look like at a closer look. As you can see, there is a grinder here. You can buy this product in Lazada. Okay, na-mention ko na sa inyo paano to bibilhin. Okay, so I'm going now to turn this on. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to put this one now. This one. Coffee bean. This is not grounded yet. This is not green. Buo pa siya. Kumbaga, hindi pa siya ground. So, i-green lang natin siya, guys. So, I will put a little bit. Okay? For demo purposes only. Okay, again. Coffee. Right. This is for our espresso machine. Okay, we will close this one. Close this one. Okay. Then I'm gonna turn this power on. Okay. I will turn this on now. Alright. So then I'm gonna turn on this one now, guys. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, turn on. dear? Ganun. So, this is the coffee, guys. Nag-brown na siya. Look, oh my god. See? Sobrang ganda. The product is really beautiful. I really love it. And it's really helpful in our house. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like my unboxing video on this coffee grinder, please click like and click comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you and keep safe.